Guna, write down today's date and day. Write down heading.
Ma'am, our objectives chapter
Ma'am, you have
is
to write in our notebook. जो पाछो.
Yes, Farzan. You wanted to ask me something, beta?
Ma'am, we will do quiz or return words dictation. Ma'am, what ma'am?
You all ready? With date and day and the heading in the notebook?
Ma'am, our dictation words.
and what we have to give heading.
That
Swati ma'am.
Ma'am, you have to write and draw.
Ma'am, how do we have to write it?
and draw a picture also, but keep a place for drawing.
And that we have to draw also and write also.
Ma'am, I want to write.
Okay.
Ma'am, we have to draw and write also.
The chat again, please look at it.
Ma'am, we have to write in.
Ma'am, if we draw, ma'am, if we not draw and write only ball, it is okay, or we have to draw.
We have to write in, ma'am.
Everything, and you have to write everything, whatever you can see in this worksheet.
Ma'am, I'm saying that we have to draw.
You
Drawing
can
is
keep a place for
compulsory.
drawing. Vihan, you can keep a place for drawing and then you write down afterwards.
Ma'am, drawing of ball is compulsory.
If I don't draw, then it is okay.
That is possible for everybody. It's very easy to draw a ball.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I can
if we
make a
don't
ball,
draw,
but these hexagons, I can't make these. I can easily make a ball.
Ma'am, we have to then make the sentence also from these words.
And ma'am, what we have to write the question first?
Ma'am, second question, please.
Just now we are doing only one, then we will do oral things. We will revise everything orally. Just now writing work only this much.
Ma'am, please let me see the uh, question. Try to describe words for each of them. Words
Ma'am, these questions we have to write in notebook. And we have to write this all the words. Then we have to write this.
Done with this, Swati ma'am.
I need a perfect round. You can put it, yeah? Something like this.
Everything is not for only you, for others also, those who forget to write down date and day.
Ma'am, colorful can also be COLORFUL also, na?
Ma'am, if I do like this is a toque, I'll draw a ball also and write also.
Yeah. Mickey. बघून बघून केली होती ना answer. बघून बघून. So dear, I hope everybody has finished this much. Now the rest work will be oral. You will not write down anything. The rest work will be just oral work. Forward. Just show me your thumbs up. Shall we move forward?
Ma'am, we had to write in chat box the answers.
But listen to me now carefully. We have seen the object. We have written two adjectives about the object. Those adjectives for which noun we have shown, that noun also we have noted down. So we have made the sentence along with those adjectives. We have bifurcated, shown that which is the noun and which are the adjectives used for it. Am I clear? What we have done, we have seen the object. We have thought the adjectives for that object. We have bifurcated which is the noun and which is the object. Dheru, are you listening? Hmm. Rahil, pay proper attention. Okay, so we have bifurcated which is the noun, which is the adjectives. And using those adjectives, we have also framed the sentences. Is that clear, everybody? Now I will be showing only object. Keep your pen, pencil aside. Keep your notebook aside. This will be your homework, what we are doing today. What we are doing orally today will be your homework. I will be sending the soft copy as well as every day I send. And then you will be doing it in your notebook. Is that clear, everybody? Shall I? Yes. But no pen, pencil now. Nobody I shall see writing anything. Yes, Prisha? Yes, answers in the chat box. Answers in the chat box. You will show me which are the nouns, which are the adjectives. Okay. Framing sentence also. But I want you to show me which are the nouns and which are the adjectives. Oh, Prisha, wonderful work. I want your work as Prisha's work. Look at in the chat box for Prisha's work. Capital letters, Arav Patel. No capital letters to use in between.
Ma'am, mine.
Is good. You are sending it so fast, so I cannot take all your names. But only if you have done any mistake, I will show you. Otherwise, everybody's work is good. Devyasha, I have received only adjectives. Where is the sentence? What is this? Gunav.
Yes, ma'am.
Then now we have to write it.
No, only reading. You for reading. For every object. Only reading. Stop sending. Here, stop sending. Understand? I said stop sending. Just watch now. It is the time for dictation. After 3 minutes. So we will just read. Stop sending anything.
Swati ma'am. Swati ma'am. Swati ma'am. Ma'am, this is dictation.
Please say.
This is dictation. So means Deepika ma'am send will the link of quiz or typing.
Yes, I will send the link.
How can be now pink also a noun and also an adjective?
Now listen, I like what Ayush asked me. Names of colors. Many a times it happens that names of colors can be used as an adjective, or and it's a name of a color, so it's a noun. When we see there are many colors in the rainbow, when we say there are many colors in the rainbow, we say green, yellow, orange, red, purple. That time these are the nouns of the colors, names of the colors. So these are nouns. Are you understanding? Are you getting me?
Yes.
Okay, just nod your head and I will come to know. Yes. And when I'm saying that this is a pink frog, that time I'm describing the frog. That time I'm describing the frog. So the pink noun word name is used as the describing word, and it acts as an adjective. Do you understand? Yes? Okay. So shall we start, Mickey? Why are you so much in hurry? Do you want to revise the words of the dictation once again on the screen?
Ma'am, you send the link again.
Swati ma'am, should I post the link?
Everybody ready for dictation? Yes? Okay. Yes, Deepika ma'am. We shall. Leave the class as soon as you finish your dictation work. Huh? Please don't leave. Don't leave the class. Start the work without anybody's help. Lakshay, start the work.
$38 have joined. I'm waiting still.
Excuse me, Swati ma'am. Swati ma'am. Ma'am, when I am entering the quiz, I am writing my name. So it is saying that couldn't connect to quiz. Please check your internet connection and try again. Timed out. It is saying 0 questions.
Because the game is not yet started, Lamha, I'm waiting for everybody to join. So you are getting
No,
0
ma'am,
points.
but I can't write my name and move inside.
Change the name then.
Yes,
I've sent the link again. I've sent the link
Only,
again.
yeah, ma'am. Let me only write Brahma.
It's for 43 children, Swati ma'am. Let me know when to start. 43 have
Minute we will wait. Just for a single more minute.
Vihan can't listen to you. Yes, Vihan, we can see you. You have written your name. I can read your name. Vihan Manish Patel.
Ma'am, I can't join.
You see my name?
Lakshay, every Tuesday we are doing this. So why do I need to check? Lama, let me start and then you're able to do it.
Ma'am, start
Let us start. Ma'am, shall we start?
Ma'am, it started.
Okay.
Deepika ma'am, can you please send the link again?
Ma'am, I also can't join.
I have sent the link again. And can see that many of them have already started playing.
Ma'am, but mine is not coming. I don't know why.
See, I can see almost more than 30 children are playing already. I think you will have to check your connection, or maybe you leave the meeting and join again.
Yeah, ma'am, I've done that too, but
Lamha, your name
not
is already
working.
there. I can see your name in the quiz with the name
Ma'am,
Lamha.
the name is there.
Yeah,
My
ma'am,
name is
but I
also there,
can't
but I
join
can't
inside.
join the quiz.
Why?
That how do I know? Because I can see your names already. You all both of you leave and join again.
Okay.
Swati ma'am, is the presentation being seen?
Very clearly.
Okay.
Ma'am, it is telling that the name is already taken.
Because once you have already
Ma'am,
logged in with the name, change the name.
ma'am. Done.
I am sending it again and again as it is. I've sent it again thrice.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Yash is not able to do the squeeze. It is showing continuously that it is loading.
Ma'am, you do one thing, leave the class and join again. I'll post the link again and he will have to change the name when he
Okay,
rejoins.
fine. Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Oh, Tejas. मैम
Yes.
मैम जिसका हो गया वो लीव कर दे.
Swati ma'am has already told no. And why are you talking in other language? This is an English class.
We will leave the class. Otherwise, from next time, I shall stop taking this quiz. Nobody will leave the class.
Ma'am, one child has left, Dhyan.
Dhyan Shelia.
Hmm.
different internet issue. I can't join only. So many times I have tried.
Vihan, you have already attempted many of the questions. It is being seen here. I think only 2 were left.
Deepika ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, now I'm in a new room and I'm doing from the phone, not from the laptop. So please send the link again.
Okay.
Oh, Jiju.
मैम
Hmm.
आई थिंक मेरा बहुत जल्दी उन लोगों ने ऑल डन दे दिया.
Who is there talking in Hindi? Ma'am, please talk to the child. I don't know who is it.
Sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, I think that that quiz gave me all done on.
Are you talking? Were you there right now talking in Hindi first?
Yes, ma'am, I forgot.
Yes, you can see you're on 4th position. And it is not possible that it will do it on its own, that it will give it you that you have completed it fast. It will only submit when you have actually completed, which is being shown on the screen.
Ma'am,
What, ma'am, how can
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in this quiz, anybody else is there? It is written Clary, like that name is there in this quiz. I thought.
The names are already being displayed. Some of them have changed because they were not able to log in. Otherwise, the name are quite similar of the children who are studying with you. Only some of them I told to change the name because they had an issue in logging in. Otherwise, the name are quite same.
Okay.
There are only 2 or 3 children who have changed.
Frame the sentence properly, use the words properly. You cannot say anybody has done. You should say somebody has done.
2 minutes more, then I'll end game.
It is time up, I think. After a single minute, we may close down.
Okay.
Stop the game.
Okay, ma'am.
And can you send the link in classroom? Because it is, I have refreshed many times.
And can we leave?
Swati ma'am has told not to leave. I don't know why these children are so excited to leave.
And I am saying that.
Why don't you understand the information given by the teachers, beta? Do not leave the class.
I am not leaving. I am asking that.
So thank you, Deepika ma'am, and I also have received the results. So thank you.
Deepika ma'am. Deepika ma'am. Excuse me, Deepika ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I don't know why it is happening like that. It's not entering my name.
Okay, Lama. Sometimes it happens with the net connection problem. Sometimes it happens. Otherwise, you are always presenting a very good work. So doesn't matter. Don't have tension.
Yeah, ma'am,
Don't
I'll
take
write
any
all the
tension.
dictation words in my notebook and I'll send you.
It's okay. It's okay. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. It's okay. Fine. So now
Okay.
here, listen before you leave. Everybody, listen before you leave. From tomorrow, we shall have grammar section, and we will be completing our grammar textbook, everyday grammar. So tomorrow, be ready with the everyday grammar. Is that clear? Yes. Next lesson, that is comparison. We shall start. Clear, everybody? So now you can leave. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, bye, ma'am.
Bye, bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Oh my God.
Bye, ma'am.
Selection as 1. Okay.